Before talking about anything, let's look at this table first. Can you find out what is happening in each group? Now look at this chart. You can grasp what is happening within seconds. In Group A, there is an upward trend. In Group B, there is a growth at the beginning, but after some time we can see the decline. In Group C, there is linear growth with only one exception. And in Group D, the x-axis represents a category and all value falls under two categories. This is the power of data visualization. This brilliant example is the creation of Frank Anscombe, a British statistician. I not only provide data visualization service, but I also perform exploratory data analysis to find out the hidden patterns and insights from the data. After that, I find out the important KPIs and put them in the dashboard so that stakeholders can monitor the key business factors and can make data-driven decisions. So if you are looking for someone who can create dashboards in Microsoft Excel, just give me a message. Let's start the data visualization journey together because the sooner, the better.